this, how you feel about eating dick? Married, taking or complicated? Let's do some cheating shit. Need those lips now, in a place more private. See that bounce when you walk, can't wait to see you ride it. Growing out of show so you know that I hide it. Make it get rocked, crumble every wall and collide with. We can vibe with your friend, if she with it or experiment. Even if she just wanna watch, I wouldn't care a bit. Strapped up to visit, still hit it raw. 4/5 by my ankle when I'm ditching my drawers. Never getting remarried. If you screw on my wife, you can have her. And the baggage when I ruined her life. You a working girl, cool, I can play that zone. Even pay before you earn it like a payday loan. Say they grown and prove it, no alliance with rookies. There's literally no way I would die for some pussy.
Been fucking like it's nothing since I was the age of 1 to beating pussy up like the ancient martial artist of kung fu. 39 with a flirty mind and a dirty swine with a curvy spine. And stick you up with a pearly 9. Pussy and heroin, crack and methamphetamines, ketamine, the purest cocaine outside of Medellin. It's all similar, no trivia, just stating facts. Smut lord making racks off of breaking backs. Faking jacks just isn't inside my repertoire. Blessing balls, having sexy bras, trying to stress the guard. So chauvinistic, I open them like it's Christmas. My exes call me sadistic, all cause of what addicted. Call me for your prescription, I'll calm you of your addiction. You can call me what you want, you just better not call me bitchin'. Married to the hustle, I never trusted a bitch. We all gonna die alone, so what? Fuck it, it's lit.
Yeah, who gave me the rep? Women pay me for sex. I'm a male whore with metaphor. Activity, she get thick dick like a remedy. With clothes on, she don't remember me. Couples pay for cuckolds. Her husband don't mind when she showing butthole. My cock slide in a pink love tunnel. She love the way I ball in the NBA. She wanna play in the house in the bubble. Known for making wives cuddle. Petting kittens, very settled. Down in Jamaica in the wooden house with tin metal. Freaky ass, put my feet on the gas pedal. Who licking testicles, now she feels special. Rated X, y'all gon' swallow jiffy popcorn with a few kernels. Speedos with a nice rod under the thermals. Make her sweat out her weave and the perfume. She a 69er, ass cheek whiner. After hour cheek diner. Paint a puss with a primer. Skid in your mailbox in the back of your pajamas. Pre-drink with your prima donna. Watch her suck me off in the back of Benihana's after a concert. She won't work. Super fine bitches buying beef jerk. She frying chicken and panties and t-shirts.
I make bitches make me sandwiches. Here's an ice cream cone, honey, take a lick. Take a lick. I make bitches make me sandwiches. Here's an